Alright, out here flying my new Goblin 500. Just bought it brand new in box from Roy's Hobby Shop in Hurst, Texas. One of the finest hobby shops that I've seen in a long time. He's got, for airplane guys, he's got actual balsa kits. I'm talking about you build kits. He's got all the E-Flight stuff. He's got helicopters. He's got cars. Whatever you want, I'm sure he can get it. The only thing I didn't see in this shop was boats, but I'm sure he can order them. But he had this sucker still brand new in the box. And so I snatched it up to replace my poor little yellow one. She had an unfortunate mishap that busted both frames and everything else. And it was kind of difficult. It's getting difficult to get parts for them, and this is my favorite helicopter that I've flown so far. And so this is the maiden flight on this model. It's got Pro Modeler cyclic brushless servos. It's got a Savix tail servo. Of course, the greatest, that is KBDD main blades. Those are 515s. With the carbon KBDD tail blades, and piloted by the JR28X, running X-Bus, Spartan Vortex VX1N, and got a Scorpion backup guard. New to this model for me is a Scorpion 4020 1100 kV motor. And I stole the Scorpion Tribunus 80 out of my Goblin 420 to run it for now. Anyway, let's see if it'll run.
Show him how it's done.
Blade tracking's good. I'm seeing a lot of vibration in the skids. But this is the very first spool up of this model, so I'm not expecting anything perfect. That almost sounds like I got a bad tail blade. I hear that same chatter in the going that way as well. Did good inverted. Yeah, they had another yellow one hanging from the ceiling. I tried to get them to let me have it, and they wouldn't let go of it. This is my speed flying mode. It's set for 2600 RPM right now.
Not it. Show him how it's done.
Yeah, them skids still a blur. But flying just as well as the yellow one did. Look at that. I'll rebalance my blades too. That's odd. It looks like it's way out of balance, doesn't it? Huh.
That's how you do it, Perry.
Well, it flew. And it flew very well. Minus the vibration, unbalance, whatever that is. Hey, looky there. Got a tail blade that went limp. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Bye. Alright, here's round 2 with the Goblin 500. New day. Actually, what I found is my main blades were way out of balance. Like nowhere near close. So I rebalanced them, and let's give it a shot and see what happens.
Show him how it's done.
Oh man, that's much better. Blade tracking still spot on. Got a little bit of
Not it.
think my tail belt might have came a little loose. Or stretched.
Smart edge. Shower now.
Oh yeah, she's breaking in nicely. Thanks for watching.